Mike Hughes here at Muy'ono, Belize, and I'm here with Brittany, and you want to tell us a little bit about Belize?
Yes, so Belize is a wonderful Central American destination, the only English native-speaking country. That's their national language. And I represent Belize Underwater, the scuba operator, and Muy'ono, Belize, which is the largest conglomerate of resorts within Belize as a nation.
How many different resorts do they have?
Over 6, depending on your interests.
Okay.
We have jungle resorts like Sweet Songs and Capaltry. We have private island and island resorts.
Yoho.
We have a fly fishing lodge as well.
Right.
And then a couple of coastal resorts along the way as well.
Okay, cool. And then what you're doing, you're with the diving aspect of it.
Yes.
And do you do the dives yourself, or?
I do go on all of the dives, but most of my crew is actually Belizean born and raised. I am the only expat, so I really let them do most of the guiding because they have born, raised, lived it. That is their life. They are the safest and most knowledgeable in the entire country.
Plus, they're probably better at English too.
They're incredible at English, but they also speak foreign languages as well, including Spanish and French.
Okay, cool. And so what are the things are you looking for when you're diving out there?
Oh my gosh, so many good things. Most common that Belize is known for is, of course, the whale sharks. However, we're so much more than that. We have 4 endangered and endemic species of toadfish, 3 of which you can find on my house reef. The 4th you can find at Turnif, which we dive. We also have lots of macro and micro. We have decorator crabs, all sorts of gorgeous little stunning things, nudibranchs, things like that. But my particular specialty in Hopkins, which is where our heart of our shop is our Belizean sea puppies.
Okay.
Which are lovingly known to the common public as nurse sharks.
Nurse sharks.
We have the most personable resident nurse sharks, especially on our Reef Trick Ridge. It's actually where we took the royals when they came to visit Belize as well, because they are memorable. I have merch that literally says Belizean sea puppies because there is no better description of them.
That's cool. And then for the bird watchers, there's a lot of birds there too.
So much, yes. So in particular, at Hopkins Bay Resort and Sweet Songs and Capaltry, these are our 2 jungle resorts here. This one, I mean, you see toucans literally on the railing, hummingbirds of every kind.
I think there's one can there.
There probably is. And then at Hopkins Bay, really close by at the resort and also really nearby at the junction, you can see flamingos, spoonbills, egrets, blue herons, all the herons.
And blue-footed boobies.
Everything.
And red.
Yeah, we got blue-footed boobies and red-footed boobies really close to Thatch Key and Royal Belize as well.
That's Key's down there.
And of course, frigates, pelicans, you name it.
Yeah, everything. So you can mark those on your list.
Oh my gosh,
So if they want more information about your operation and diving the Belize?
So BelizeUnderwater.com or info@BelizeUnderwater.com. But if you're also interested in the birding aspect, visiting Muy'ono Resorts socials or Belize Underwater socials is a great way to connect with us.
Okay, perfect. Thank you very much.
Thank you.